Hi FCST 1010 students, this is Dr. Wheeler and welcome to FCST 1010 Summer 2016 and welcome to Georgia Highlands College. The first thing that we need to do from your email, if you're receiving this email, is to go to D2L, which is Desire to Learn. That's our learning management system, which it just means that's where all your courses will be housed. That's where you'll submit every one of your assignments, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get there on your computer. First of all, you can write down instructions while we go, or go back and watch this video several times. Try not to go along with me, or you'll get kind of mixed up. But you're going to go to the Highlands home web page, which is summerd2ldirections. And you'll see the Highlands web page, the home page. If you went to an orientation, they may or may not have given you your ID, all of your ID numbers, your 9000 number, your ID, or your student email address, your D2L login. So the first thing that you want to do, if you don't have any of those passwords, is go right here under Score, and you'll see GHC ID Lookup. And right here you can put in your Social Security number and put in your last name and click on Submit, and it will pull up every single one of your passwords. It'll pull up your student email, it'll pull up, well, your student email address, anything that you need. And any time throughout the semester, if you forget it, you can just go back to that again. And again, it's on the Georgia Highlands homepage, and go under Score and GHC ID Lookup. Usually, if I click on the icon, it takes me back to the homepage, but I will type it in again so we can go back to the beginning. Okay, so we're back to the Highlands homepage again, and let's assume we have our D2L username and password. We're going to go to D2L Course Access, and you're going to put in your username, and you're going to put in your password. If for some reason you forget your password, you can click on Forget Password right here, and I think it will let you reset it. It will send it to your Georgia Highlands email. It won't send it to any personal email. It'll send it to your Georgia Highlands email, and just be patient with that. But put in your username and password and log in. And this is what D2L looks like. Any class that you take at Georgia Highlands will be listed right over here under My Courses. Because I'm a professor, I have tons of them. For this summer semester, you may only have 2. If you're coming back for the fall semester, you may have several under here, and it still may list your summer course. But we're actually the College Experience Section W1 Summer Semester 2016. Click on this, and this will take you to our home page. This is our D2L homepage. And from here, you can look at the course syllabus and the course calendar. Now, by the time you pull this up, underneath here, right underneath News, it is going to say Meet Your Instructor, and it's going to say Week 1 Instructions. The Meet Your Instructor is a video about myself. And I want everybody to watch that just to know what you're getting into. I'm a pretty peculiar sort. I'm a sports fanatic, and I'm a Disney fanatic, and just different things that you may or may not want to know about me. And then underneath that, you're going to see Week 1 Directions, and click on that, and guys, watch that in its entirety. It will tell you exactly how to access everything in this course. It'll tell you the first week's assignment, how to submit it. It will go into detail, and if you have any questions, you can email me. But one thing that I request from you guys is that when you do get into D2L and you see this page right here that says the College Experience W1 Summer Semester 2016, I want you to reply to, in your student email, I want you to reply to the email that I sent you welcoming you to this class, and I want you to say, "Hi, Dr. Wheeler, I was able to get into this class," and then I want you to put your full name, and that way I know that you have been able to get in, and that will count you present. The reason that is so important, guys, is because we take attendance, and attendance is due June 9th. So the only way I can tell that you've logged in is if you reply. I want you to reply to me and say, "I was able to get into D2L, Dr. Wheeler," and that way I know. Email me if you have trouble getting into D2L. You shouldn't, given the tools that I just gave you, but if you do, I don't mind answering any questions. I usually check my email several times a day. So just be patient with me, and I will see you on the other side once you get into D2L.